What this does an effective job with is keeping leaves and debris out of the gutters. This is Jonathan. Today we're back out at the garage and I wanted to show you what has been happening since the last time I climbed the ladder. So stay tuned and we'll show you what's happening. Before I let you go, if you wouldn't mind helping us get out in front of more YouTube folks, if you hit the like and or subscribe buttons, then that will let YouTube know that you are enjoying the content, and it will make it available to more people. So again, we appreciate your support with that. Now here's the video. It is barely raining out and you can see the water dripping off of GutterDome. A tremendous amount of water, in fact. I mean, it was sprinkling a minute ago. It's not even raining at the moment. So what this does an effective job with is keeping leaves and debris out of the gutters. What it does a less effective job with is taking water into the gutters. So you've got a really good looking gutter guard. Doesn't do much in terms of its ability to take in the water. Apparently, whether it's raining hard or it's barely raining, as is the case now. Here is the Armour guard, also sold in a number of states by a company called All American Gutter Protection. Again, it's barely raining and we have water dripping off of this system. So this one is installed up under the shingles. It's doing a pretty good job with the leaves and debris. You can see a little bit of debris sitting up there. Nothing's really plugged into it that I'm aware of. We did have an instance over here when I was last up with a pine needle that was stuck inside the shingles, and that was causing some stuff to get stuck behind it. But the real issue right now is the fact that you got water dripping off of the gutter guard onto the face of the gutter. So again, barely any rain happening at the moment, yet you got water that's dripping off this thing. And not the end of the world necessarily, but anytime you see a faster drip of rain or droplets at the bottom of the gutter, that's an indication that the water's coming off the gutter cover itself, hitting the face of the gutter, and then beating off at the bottom at a faster rate than water would normally do that. Here's the Valor gutter guard sitting flat inside the gutter on the north side of the garage. A lot of leaves and debris sitting on top of it. It hasn't rained in about 5 or 6 minutes, and even when it was just a very light rain. And you can see water dripping. Combination of things, actually. Water's dripping off the debris that's sitting on top of this gutter guard, so you can see water droplets that form either on the edge of a pine needle or a stem. But you can also see water is dripping from the base of the gutter, and a quicker drip means that the water is actually coming off the gutter guard somehow and working its way around the front, and then dripping off at the bottom at a faster rate than water that would normally just be sitting up there from the water hitting the face of the gutter. So faster dripping means it's coming off the gutter guard. Slower dripping means that it's just water that hit the face of the gutter and it's beating up at the bottom of the gutter, and it will eventually drip. It just drips slower. I wanted to take a moment to introduce myself. I appreciate you for watching this video so far. I hope you find it informational. And before I get you back to the programming, I just wanted to take a moment. I'm Jonathan with Gutter Guards Direct. We've been helping homeowners solve their gutter and water problems since 1996. I started this video series in 2020 as a way to help homeowners better discern what gutter protection systems really work. There's obviously a lot of hype in the market. There's a lot of products on the market, way more products today than there ever were in the past, and I've always thought there were way too many gutter protection systems on the market. So this series is really my effort to help myself understand what are the best systems on the market, but by turning it into the Ultimate Gutter Guard Challenge on YouTube, it also helps you figure out what are the best systems for your particular environment. And again, I hope you're enjoying this video. Before I send you back to the programming, I wanted to take a moment and let you know that we also install gutters and gutter guards. And the guttering portion of it is generally in conjunction with installing the gutter guards. So we're not necessarily chasing gutter installation work by itself, but we will do it again if we are installing gutter guards on your home. And we service all of Ohio. We service southeast Michigan, so greater Detroit and Ann Arbor areas. We do greater Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania to the east. To the west, we go as far as greater Indianapolis and points a little bit north of Indianapolis, and pretty much south of there down to the Cincinnati and kind of Louisville, Kentucky areas. So anywhere kind of along the Ohio and northern Kentucky border. We service Louisville and Lexington, Kentucky, and then really any point in between those markets from Ohio all the way down to Tennessee, where we service greater Nashville, greater Knoxville, and occasionally we'll even visit Chattanooga. So if you live in any of these markets and you are interested in a free assessment at your home and a free estimate, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-750-2131. Again, that's 1-800-750-2131 for your free in-home estimate. Thanks, and back to the programming. This is a Klean Gutter on the north side of the garage. We also have some water coming off the face of the gutter, so that means the water is coming off the gutter guard, comes down around the face, and then it drips off quicker than water that's just kind of rolling down the gutter. So generally that means there's some sort of a stream of water that's coming off the gutter guard. It could be debris potentially that's sitting up there and the water's just following that pathway, but that's where you tend to see a drip happening. You also see a streak. You can see streaks like here and here where the water comes down the face of the gutter. A little bit more of a stream of water there. Here's LeafFilter on the north side of the garage. You'd be hard pressed to tell that it's there. You can barely see the screen. Maybe if you look closely through there, but you can tell it's LeafFilter. It has little plastic drip edge on the front. This one's been up here for 3 years, and this is not an unusual look for it, but what's good is you don't really see much happening on the face of the gutter because it's got that little drip edge across the front. It's doing a pretty effective job of pushing the water. It's doing a very good job of pushing the water away from the face of the gutter, and then you don't really see any water dripping from the bottom. Here we have MasterShield on the north side of the garage. It is doing the best job in terms of what's sitting on top of it. Almost nothing is sitting on top of it. We do have a little bit of stuff over here to the left where it meets up with LeafFilter, but so it's all concentrated kind of at the left side of MasterShield and the right side of LeafFilter. We got a few water droplets at the bottom of this, but most of the water that's dripping off it is dripping off the drip edge and then missing the gutter altogether. So that is doing a very effective job taking in the water. And in fact, if I'm quiet for a second, I'll let you listen to the water going through the downspout. So there you go. Now I have my hand right here on this ladder and I'm getting dripping. So there is dripping happening right there. Right in this area, you can see it coming off a pine needle and just to the right of the pine needle. But it is kicking it away from the face of the gutter, which is nice because it just helps keep that gutter a little bit cleaner. We'd appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe buttons, and be sure to ding the bell and you'll be notified the next time we upload a video. So in terms of the leaves and debris, this one is doing a nice job. You can see there's really not a whole lot up here at the moment.